Hey guys, it's Heidi. Welcome back. Kind of a different type of video because I'm actually having some issues with my nails. They've become more and more fragile. They seem to have lost a little bit of calcium. Like you can see, some lines, stripes. They just look so weak, you guys. So I was so concerned. So I started kind of Googling and researching the whole thing. And I have come to the conclusion that what's happening to me is actually something that happens quite often. I have been doing periodic, semi-permanent gel manicures on my nails, and apparently it is a very common thing that eventually that will debilitate your nails. And I've been doing it for I think 3 years straight, or almost 3 years straight if I'm not mistaken, every 2 weeks religiously. Apparently that's not a very good idea, even though I do have naturally very, very strong nails. And I guess I was kind of lucky because my nails are naturally very, very strong that I have only recently started seeing my nails, debilitating. I wanted to make this video, one, to tell you that there are certain dangers to doing gel manicures or semi-permanent manicures consistently, every single time you get your nails done. Clearly, I am into beauty because I'm making these videos and I have my blog and everything, but health comes always first. And I felt this was going to be an interesting topic because actually, there's a number of reasons why your nails could be weak. Not only, what's happened to me in particular, but I feel like these little nail care routine that I've developed recently may be helpful for others experiencing, weak nails for a number of different reasons. So without further ado, let me just jump into the demo showing you exactly what I'm doing for stronger nails. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing for new videos that will be coming up really soon. Step one is keeping my nails short. So I just clipped them off camera, and the reason is that you want to start, clipping off the damaged area. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but so far the damage is it starts about half of the nail, so I still have a long way to go. And while I wait for the entire nail to be renewed, I want to treat my nail, and for that I'm using the IBD Reconstrux, and let's see if I can pronounce the active ingredient, bitantriol. And of course this is meant to rebuild and renew, and it is a very small bottle. It has like 3.7 milliliters or 0.125 fluid ounces of product, and you're gonna see it's pretty magical what it does, because you're gonna see that when I apply, the little cracks that you see now on my nails are gonna start to go away. The tiny cracks are especially noticeable on my two thumbs, and then not so much on, well, maybe, yeah, this hand looks pretty nasty as well. So yeah, just be aware of that if you are into gel manicure. Eventually it may happen. Okay, so I basically apply a quick layer. Can you see how this immediately, like, it's not shine, you guys, it's not like a top gloss thing, and it immediately kind of makes the nail look a lot healthier. And I'm gonna continue with the rest. I try to apply a generous amount, and it's really important that you don't touch anything for a while. I usually make the mistake of like doing this and then getting dressed, and then I get these on my clothes, which is not a big deal because it does not stain clothes, but it does remove it from the nails. So that's kind of something to keep in mind. So that's kind of these hand done. I'm not going to do it on the other hand in camera because I don't see the point, but this is an amazing product, and it says that you should apply it once or twice a day depending on the current state of your nails. So honestly, I just do it when I remember, and I typically do it once a day, maybe on weekends. When I have more time, then I usually remember to do it maybe morning and night. And I feel like it has really helped, especially kind of deal with these, and that they don't look that nasty. Can you see the difference? Like, there's a big difference. here you can see all these cracks and all these nasty things, and it just looks super weak. And then there's another kind of side effect of the gel manicure that I found. Also, I guess it's from the UV lamp, or I don't know, maybe it's the aggressive nail polish removers, but it's also that you get like dry skin on the tips of your fingers. Wholeheartedly recommend the Josie Maran Argan Infinity Intensive Creamy Oil. This is a very generous tube and you don't really need all that much for what I'm gonna do, and has 65 milliliters or 2.2 fluid ounces of product. This is petroleum free and it has 100% pure argan oil. So what I do is I use this a little bit like a cuticle oil, and I apply it on this area and here, so you don't really need that much. First apply the product, it kind of feels like Vaseline, but then when you touch it, it becomes oil. So it's basically a way of applying argan oil. So I do that all around my fingers, and the dryness just immediately goes away and my nails look a lot better. Can you see the difference there? This routine has really helped me. So hopefully you guys can see the big difference between the treated hand and the non-treated hand. The hand with the ring is the one that was not treated. Thumbs are still the most impressive because I feel like they're more damaged. So there you go. And of course you can also use the Argan Infinity Intensive Creamy Oil on your hand, kind of pamper yourself a little bit. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other requests. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean the world to me, and I will talk to you all again on my next one. Ciao.